In this video of Quadratics Review, this is problem 3. We're going to go over given a graph. So using the fact that I have this graph given to me, I'm going to identify important pieces of information and answer the questions below. First thing I'm going to do is identify the x-intercepts, vertex, and axis of symmetry. So our x-intercepts are always located on the x-axis. This is our x-axis. And we're going to see that our parabola meets the x-axis at this point and this point. So when I write this out, that is 2, 0, and 4, 0. From there, our vertex is always the lowest or highest point in a parabola. You can see that this right here is our vertex. And that is at 3, -1. Our axis of symmetry is always what our x value is. So this is where our parabola mirrors itself over. So our x value and our vertex is 3. So x is equal to 3. From there, we're going to make a table. So given the values that I have above, I'm going to put my vertex right here at 3, -1. I have 2, 0, 4, 0. And then I'm going to use 1 and 5 here. So that means I'm going to come up to my graph, and at 5, I find that it's at 3. And you should also notice at 1, it is also at 3. So that completes my table. The next part I'm going to do is find an equation. So we're going to find an equation similar as we did in problem 2 by using the x-intercepts. So our x-intercepts were 2, 0, and 4, 0, which means that my x values here are 2 and 4. So similarly as the previous problem, I'm going to put my x-intercepts right here. And I'm going to use the opposite sign. So these are both positive. I'm going to make these negative. So that means that when I multiply these, we're going to use our box. We have x -2, x -4, and we get x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. So we get x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. I'm going to combine my like terms, so I get x squared minus 6x plus 8. And make sure you have the y equals. So this is our equation.